right, we're just here watching the weigh-ins for the UFC 259 fight tomorrow night, and look, we got Adesanya. It's got a box of pizza there. Anyways, we're doing a little bit of downloading to Instagram and YouTube, and I want to show you this little trick here. This is a GoPro camera. They are notorious for overheating. This is ice. I got ice on top and on the bottom, trying to keep that camera cool, because if you don't, it'll stop somewhere in the middle of the the download, and you'll have to start over. So you have to try to keep that camera cool, and that's how you do it. You keep it on ice. And you can see this here phone is downloading something right now. So anyways, it's gonna be a good weekend. We've got some good fights on, and I'm just gonna stay home this weekend and relax and enjoy the UFC fights. There's a boxing card on too. I'm not sure what it is, but anyways, it's good. Like I said, it's gonna be a good weekend. I just wanted to show you that little trick on how to keep your GoPro camera cool when you're doing some downloading.